Ma'am, page number. Ma'am, page number.
A very good afternoon to all of you, my dear children. So in today's session, let us learn about verb. Okay, so we have already learned in the previous session about the verb. Let's have a short recap. Then we'll move on to the exercises related to the topic. Okay, so are you all ready? Yes? All of you mute your audios. All of you muted. All of you please keep your audios muted. Okay, during the session. Now, all of you please listen. So we know what is a verb is. Okay. Amaya, come on, answer. What is a verb? Come on, Amaya. What is a verb? What have you understood? Yes, come on, tell me, Amaya. What is a verb, Amaya? Come on, tell me. Yes. Verb is a, come on, louder, please. I couldn't hear you. Open your mouth and say.
Ma'am, Stephania start check.
What is that Stephania is doing there? Stephania, what is that you're doing? Yes. Come on, Amaya, I couldn't hear you. Okay, Stephania, come on, say the answer. No.
Ma'am,
What happened to your...
Ma'am, rain cancel.
Wait, 1 minute. Okay, Vrinda, come on. I couldn't unmute. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Vrinda, wait, Stephania. I'll ask you later. Vrinda,
Yes, ma'am.
what is a verb?
Verb is an action word.
Very good. Verb is an action word.
Ma'am,
Okay. Verb, all of you please listen. Verb is a word that denotes an action. So what is a verb, my dear children? It's a word that denotes an action. Yes. Word that denotes an action. Okay, it is called a verb. Okay. Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, all of you please listen. So verb is a word that denotes an action. Okay, so it is called a verb. Verb is also called as what? What do we call verb has? Verb has different name. Similarly, like the naming words, it's called as noun. So verb is also called as? Verb is also called as, page number is 11. Verb is also called as? Come on, tell me.
Action.
Action words. We call verb has action words, or what do we call them as? We can also call them as? Yes?
Doing words.
Doing words, yes. Verbs are called as action words or doing words because verb is a word that denotes an action. Now, ma'am is teaching. I'm doing an action now. So teach is an action word. You are listening. So listening, listen is an action word. You are writing. So write is an action word. Okay, so you are sitting. So sit is an action word. So all the actions that we do in day-to-day life. Okay, different actions we do. Okay, so all the actions are considered as verb. Action words are also called as doing words because we do the action. Okay, actions are being done. We do some action. We are doing it. Okay, so action words or doing words are called as verb. So verb is very easy to identify, my children. Verbs are nothing but it is a word that denotes an action. So who does the action here? Come on, tell me. Who does the action?
Verb.
No, who's doing the action?
Person.
Yes, person is doing the action. Yes, animal or birds are doing the action.
An
And
animal,
also,
thing, animal, thing, person,
and thing. Yes, very good. So, person, we do the action. We do different actions in our day-to-day life. Okay, we do different actions from the morning, from when we get up. Sleep is also an action. Watching TV, listening to music, all these are the actions we are doing. Okay, drink, eat, run, jog, play, all these are fighting, scratching. combing, painting,
run,
listening.
see,
All these
do,
are, yes, see,
go,
do,
smile,
everything.
drink,
All
speak,
the
sit,
actions that we do in our day-to-day
eat,
life are
smile.
all our action words.
Right.
Is that clear to all of you? Okay. So yes, so we do the actions, that is people, that is person do the action. Then who else does the action? Animals and birds do the action, and
Animal,
things
trees,
do the action, because we say that ship sails. Ship, yes, listen, ship sails in water. So here sails is the verb there. Similarly, the bell rings. So rings is the action being done by the bell. Okay, ring, the bell rings. The clock, what do the clock do? The clock ticks. Okay, so all these are the actions done by the things. Okay, so per people, animals, birds, and things, all of them do actions. Okay, so action words or doing words are called verb. Okay, now let's move on to the exercise. This is all about the verb. Nothing else to learn about the verb. Verb are action words or doing words. Okay, verb is a word that denotes an action. So now let's move on to the topic. So one more thing we have to know. Yes. Meanwhile, I'll tell you. Yes, verb here. All of you, please listen. Just we'll have a recap. Okay, action words are words that tell us what a person, animal, or a thing does. I hope you could see it. Okay, so all identify the action words in the following sentence. She reads a book. So here, which is the action word in the sentence here? The dog, yes, reads. Very good. The dog barks loudly. Which is the action word? He speaks to his mother. So which is the action word here?
speak,
Yes. Children, please don't. One minute. Okay. So these underlined words are called as the action words. Okay. So these are the action words. These action words are also called as doing words. Yes, and they are also called as verb. Okay, so verbs are actions that we do. Okay, verbs. What are verbs? Verbs are the actions that we do. That is the reason we call them as action words or doing verbs. Okay, so the verbs are the actions that we do. So when we ask you to underline the verb in a sentence, you please, who's doing the action there? What is the action being done by the person or the animal or the thing? You just, in a sentence, you just see who's doing the action there, so you'll get the answer. Okay. Okay, now listen. So these are the action words. These are the examples of action words. Okay, wait 1 minute, my dear children. Let me finish with myself, then you can tell me. Okay, stand.
Stop, share and share again.
Wait, what happened?
My board is very black.
Blank. Okay, okay. Now you see. Now whether you could see it. Yes, now it's okay. Now it's okay. All of you? All of you? Yes, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Now listen. So all these are the action words. Okay, stand, clap, jump, smile, laugh, sit. All these are the actions that we do. So the actions, who does the action here? A person can do the action here, animal or the birds, and also thing does the action. Okay, so the verb shows action by a person, animal, or birds or things. Okay. Now, what is a verb? This is a verb. Verb is a word that denotes an action. All of you, please do learn it. Verb is a word that denotes an action. Okay, now we have action. Verb is a word that denotes an action. Okay, verb is a word that denotes an action. Yes, very good. An action. So we have finished with this exercise. So here,
We did not finish.
okay, this exercise is not there in your workbook, but still, Okay, I have sent an activity for you, children. All of you, please listen. I've sent an. Please don't touch the board, my dear. I have sent an activity for you. That activity is not to be shown today. Don't send the activity in the WhatsApp group. You please show me during the session. Okay, that is, I mentioned the date there. Please.
Again.
Yes, my dear. What do you want?
Please share again.
Why? What happened? What is happening there? The board is not legible.
Manu has network issue.
Okay.
Now it's okay.
Now it's okay? Yes, okay. So here you have to circle the verb. So I've been talking about the activity, children. Activity which I've sent is all about the common noun and the proper noun. While you do the activity, please select the words which you are familiar with and you do the activity and show me during the session. Please don't send it in the WhatsApp. Okay. So all of it, please listen. Here a few words are there. What we have to do, we have to circle the verb. Okay. So let us read these words. Okay. What is this word is? Walk.
Walk.
What is the next word is? Kitten. What is this word is? Say. What is this word is? Eat. What is this word is? Water. Okay, we'll take the first 5 words. All of us, let's take the first 5 words. And now come on, tell me, identify the verb in these 5 sentences. Are there any verb in that? Walk, is it a verb?
Walk.
Yes, walk is an action. Walk is an action. We can do the action here.
Say.
Okay, kitten. Wait, kitten. Yes, my dear.
Could you share the board one more?
Why? What is happening?
That's us. Sometimes somebody has the board very black.
Why? Is there is any
I
network
also
issue?
have seen that.
Okay then. So let's continue. Okay, my dear children, all of you, please. Kitten. Is it a verb?
No.
Now, let us take the next word. Say. Is it a verb or a noun?
Verb.
Verb. So we have to circle it. Very good. Eat. Come on, tell me.
Verb.
Water. Water. No, it is not a. Yes. So this is how you have to identify. So I have to call out your names. Okay. So Rayan, Manu, come on. Rayan, Manu. Rayan, come on. Read the next set of words and tell me. Rayan, Manu.
Fly.
Mm.
Book.
Yes.
Stop.
Mm.
Paper.
Mm.
Mouse.
Yes. So, come on, identify the verb in that sentence. Sorry, among the words, Rayan.
Paper.
No, I wanted the verb in the sentence, not noun. Fly, book, stop, paper, mouse. Okay, so come on, tell me. Yes, fly. Fly is a verb. Yes, very good. Come on, identify the other verbs in the sentence. Book, stop, paper, mouse. Stop, very good. Stop is a verb. Very good. Good job. Okay, Dia, come on, Dia. Come on, read the next set of words. And come on, yes. Yes, Dia, come on, read the next set of words.
Stand. So. Blanket.
Rights, sang, stood, blanket, pig. Yes.
Pig.
So, come on, tell me, Dia, which are the verb in that? Yes, rights.
Stand.
Stand means stood. Is the past tense of stand is stood. Okay, then. Is there any other verb in that sentence? No, not the group of words. Yes, sang. Very good. So all these words which we have circled, children, all these are verbs because it denotes an action. Okay, you can do these actions. Walk is an action word. So fly, write, sang, stood, stop, say, eat. All these denotes an action. So all these words which we have circled are called as verb. Clear? Now let's move on to the exercise which are there in our workbook. Okay, so all of you please mute your.
This is our done.
Yes, children, I'm muting you all for a minute. All of you, please listen. So this exercise, that is underline the verb in the following sentences, is in page number 11. So I hope
Yes,
we have
ma'am.
finished with that. Have we finished this exercise? Have we finished? Yes or no?
This page. Yes, ma'am.
You
We
have
have finished.
completed it. Okay.
Yes.
Now let's move on to the next page. Okay. So yes.
Ma'am, page.
All of you, please do turn the page. I'm going to mute you all. All of you mute your
Okay,
audios, my
ma'am.
dear. Maria, mute your audios. All of you mute your audios. Yes, mute it. Yes. Now, Satik, come on, Satik. Read the next question. The 10th question. Come on.
The king rode on a
Mm.
white horse.
Yes, the king rode on a white horse. So,
Rode,
yes,
rode.
rode. Very good. So, rode is the verb in the sentence. So, please do underline the verb, no, the word rode there.
And this is we finished.
Yes, we finish means it's okay, my dear. Yes. Now let's move on to Chriswin. Chriswin, come on, Chriswin. Do the next question.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we like
Yes, come on, read the question. We like cricket. We like cricket. Come on, read the question. We like cricket better than football. Yes, we like cricket better than football. So, come on, identify the verb in the sentence.
cricket.
No, verb are action words. It denotes an action. Is there any action? Come on, identify the action word there.
No.
No, we like cricket better than football. Here, which is the action word? Who can give me the answer?
Like.
Yes, like. Yes, like is the answer. Okay. Okay. All of you mute your audios, please. Archer, come on, Archer.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Archer, come on.
Ma'am,
Yes. Read the question. 12th question.
about
Little Bo Peep. Little Bo Peep. All the others, please do mute your audios.
lovely. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, all of you, please do mute your audios. Come on, read.
The foolish bird.
The little Bo Peep. No, this question, 12th question. Little Bo Peep has lost her sheep. Come on, read the question. Who's reading the question? Has lost. L-O-S-T is lost. Yes, lost.
Her sheep.
Yes, so.
Lost.
Lost. Yes, lost is a verb in the sentence. Lost verb is a word that denotes an action. So here the verb is lost. Okay. Okay. Akshay, where is the book? Sorry, where is your book, Akshay? I couldn't see your book on the table. Angelica.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, come on, do the next question.
The foolish bird sang softly.
The foolish bird sang
Loudly.
Yes, the foolish bird sang loudly. So, come on, tell me. Sang, very good. Sang. Sang is the verb in the sentence. Okay, very good. Now,
The time is up.
How come it's only 12:15? Who's saying that?
The only job.
Yes, that's why. Nivya, come on, Nivya.
Maria can read the
Nivya, come on, read the next question. 14th question. 14th question, come on. Others, mute your audios. Yes, come on. Nivya, come on, read the question. Others, mute it. Mute. Yes. All of you mute your audios. Only Nivya will unmute it. Come on, read the question.
Children
Others will listen.
should
Mm.
children should
Mm.
obey
Mm.
their
Mm.
parents.
Yes, children should obey their parents. Okay. Yes. So come on, identify the verb in the sentence.
Obey.
Obey. Obey. Okay. How do you pronounce the word? It is obey. So obey is the
Obey.
verb in the sentence. Okay. Yes. All of you, please do underline the verb obey. I hope the answer is clear to all of you. So while one person is saying the answer, children, others, all of you should mute your audios. Let that person answer. Allow them to answer. Evelyn, come on, Evelyn. Yes, come on. Read the last question. 15th question, Evelyn.
She wrote a letter to
Yes.
her mother.
Yes, very good. So,
Wrote.
very good. So it is
Wrote.
Yes. So all of you, please do underline the verb wrote. Here, a wrote is a word that denotes an action. Wrote means the past tense of write. It is wrote. Okay. Is that clear to all of you? So this exercise is over. Now let's move on to the next exercise. Here is just a matter of underlining or identifying the verb in a sentence. The next exercise is you have to insert a verb in a sentence. Okay, a suitable verb in a sentence. That is what the next exercise. It's also related with the verb. Few will be doing it. The others we can do it as homework. Okay, so I'll tell you how to do this exercise first. Then the rest of the exercise you can be done as homework. Okay. Yes, all of you, please do turn the page to page 13.
Maria, can read the first
Yes,
question.
all of you, please do mute your audios, my dear. Yes. Safania, come on, Safania. Mute it. Yes. Come on, read the first question. Others, mute it. Okay. So you have to insert a verb in the blank space. We know what is a verb is. So you have to, we have to fill in the blanks using a suitable verb. We know what is a verb is. Verb is a word that denotes an action. Now, come on, read the question and tell me which we have to fill in the blanks with a suitable verb. Come on, tell me.
Birds
Dash.
in tree.
Trees. Okay. So
Birds
what do they do in trees? We know what our birds are.
build nest.
Build nest in trees we can. So build is not there. So what we have to do, we have to supply a suitable verb.
Birds sit in the tree.
Okay. Instead of that, birds live in trees, we'll write. Okay. Birds live in trees.
the trees.
Okay. Live in trees. All of you, please do write that. Live. So this is how you have to, yes, you have to fill in the blanks using a suitable verb. Okay. Okay. Ashik, come on, Ashik Satyan. Ashik.
Ma'am, I can't see the board.
Who cannot see? Come on, say me the name so that I can know it. Okay. Azza. Azza cannot see the board. Is it Azza?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Shivada and Sadish both are present. No? Anushka is present. Sri Bala is present?
Is present.
Sri Bala. I'm not asking about the others. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question. Prithwin, come on, Prithwin. Prithwin, yes, come on, unmute it and read the second question. Prithwin.
The
Yes,
tailor
Prithwin.
got me a new coat.
Yes, the tailor dash me a new coat. So what does the tailor do? Usually, what does the tailors do? Tailors. You know what our tailors are? To whom you give the uniform for stitching? To
Tailor.
tailors. Okay, so what do they do?
Tailor give.
What do they do? What is this called? What is a verb, suitable verb we can supply here? The tailor. Yes, that I'll do it. That I'm doing it. I'll be doing it. Okay, but see that the tailor dash me a new coat. So, come on, tell me.
Give.
What is a suitable word we can use there? The tailor. Who can give me the answer? Come on. Yes, come on.
Stitch.
Yes, very good. Stitches. Yes, very good. STITCHES. Stitches. Okay. Yes. So the tailor stitches me a new coat. Okay. The tailor, all of you please write it. All of you please do take your workbook. Take the page 13. Stitches, I'll do write it again for you. Okay. I'll take a pen and I'll write it neatly for you. Okay, now all of you please see it. Birds live, L-I-V-E, live. Okay, and this is stitch, S-T-I-T-C-H-E-S, stitches. Okay, stitches. This is live, L-I, birds live. Yes, birds live. Birds live in trees. Again, that's it. I'll show. Make it. Okay.
Maria can read the third question.
Wait. S-T-I-T-C-H-E-S, stitches. I hope you have finished with both the questions. Okay. So Abel, Binoy, come on, Abel. Do the third question. All of you, please do open your workbook, my dear children, so that you can do it. Underlining is very easy, but to fill in the blanks was suitable here. Options are not given there, but for the examinations, options will be given. Okay. Okay, come on, tell me. Abel, unmute it, my dear. Unmute it. Yes. Okay. Yes, come on, tell me.
The second.
What is it?
The
snake. S-N-A-K-E. How do you pronounce the word? It has snake. Dash the man.
Dash the man.
So, what does the snake do? Usually, the snake. Who can give me the answer?
The snake bite.
Very good. The snake bites the man. Yes, bites. B-I-T-E-S. Bites. Okay. The snake bites the man. Very good. The snake.
Can say the fourth question.
Who? Wait. I'll be let me see who hasn't got the chance here. Okay. Mohammed Rayan M.O. Come on. Read the next question. A fourth question. Mohammed Rayan M.O. Yes, come on. Rayan M.O. Come on, read the question. We dash cricket. We dash cricket. What we do with cricket? Cricket is a game. So what do we do with? Yes, we. Very good. We play
Cricket.
cricket. Yes, cricket. How do you pronounce this word? Has cricket. So we play. What's the spelling of play? P-L-A-Y. Play. So we play cricket. All of you, please write it.
Third question.
Yes. All of you, please do
I
it.
can read the fifth question.
Who's going to read? Come on, tell me the name. I don't know. Azza. Okay, do it. Azza, come on. Azza has joined the session. Yes, Azza, come on. Come on. All the boys. Yes.
Dash their teacher.
Yes. All the boys dash their
Where is their
teachers.
teacher?
What is that?
Obey.
Very good. It's obey. All the boys obey their teachers. O-B-E-Y. Obey. So this is how you do this exercise. Okay, children? So-
Maria can read the sixth question.
Okay, Maria, do it.
The gang of robbers
Robbers.
Robbers dash in a cave.
Okay, what do they do in a cave?
They
Robbers usually what do they do? They do something and just they'll go and
what do you mean by robbers?
robbers means thieves, gang of thieves. You know what a thieves are?
Yes.
Yes. So it's a synonym of
They-
it. Robbers means thieves, gang of thieves or robbers. What do they do in a cave?
What is third question?
They
Third question is the
Holes on
snake
a cave.
bites the man. Okay. Yes, come on. The gang of robbers.
keep goals on the cave.
No. Gang of robbers. Who can give me the answer? Come on, tell me the answer. Hide. Very good. The answer is right. Hide. Gang of robbers hide in a cave. Come on. Very good.
Hide.
Hide. I hope all of you are writing. Are you all writing? Let me see you all writing. Have you all of you finished the previous exercise worksheet 7? All of you? Have you all of you completed it?
Yes, ma'am. Can you share the board?
Yes, very good. But yes, I'll be sharing the board with you. 1 minute.
Share
Let
the
me
board.
see you all writing. Where is Akshay? Akshay, are you writing? Yes, Akshay? Yes, okay. So all the others?
Please share the board.
Yes, I'll share the board with you. Yes.
Ma'am.
Okay. Now all of you can see the board now?
Yes.
Yes, Now I'll move on to Joanna. Joanna, come on. Joanna, come on, read the 7th question.
Yes.
With that, we'll wind up. Now, all the rest of the questions you can do it as homework.
Dash
4. Yes, 2 and 2 dash 4. So come on. We have to insert a suitable verb. Yes, wait. Who cannot see the board? Is it Azza? Maybe you're facing network.
No, ma'am.
Then who else? Nobody can see the board?
Can see.
Who cannot see the board? Yes, one more. Yes. I'll be sharing the board again. Yes, what's wrong here? I don't know.
Board is
Yes,
like
I'll be
black.
sharing the board. Yes. Don't get worried. Okay. So now I hope all of you can see it. The last question. We have only 2 more minutes left. Okay. So come on, tell me 2 and 2.
2 dash
Yes, who can know the answer? Please do say the answer. Raise your hand and tell me.
equal 4 and 4.
No. 2 and 2. No, it is make. What you write there? It is make. It's right there. Make. All of you, please do write. So we have finished with question 7. Okay. So we have completed with question 7. Rest of the sentences, please try to do it by yourself. Okay. So we'll be taking this exercise again when the school reopens or when we'll tell you the date. Okay. So in the next session, when we do it, we'll be doing this exercise again. So before that, I wanted all of you to complete this exercise. Okay. Please try to do 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15 as homework. So in the next session, we'll be discussing the answers. Okay, children? So with this, let me wind up today's session. Hope you all have understood all about the work. Wish you all a happy Onam, your holidays. Yes, all a happy Christmas. All of you, bye-bye. Thank you. Yes, children, bye. Thank you.